Hello friends, I welcome you back to our channel for our very first video related to coding and stuffs. In the very beginning, I would like to apologize for the clickbaiting title that I had to put up on this video, as this video is not going to teach you any programming languages in just 30 minutes, cause that ain't even possible. But then again, I would also want to request you all, please don't leave right away, as I do promise that the video is certainly going to help you learn coding, but in the right and proper way that it is destined to. So please watch till the end and then decide whether to leave a like or a dislike to this video. The aim of this video is to help you guys realize that it is not so easy to learn anything, whether be it carpentry, nursing or coding, in just 30 or 60 odd minutes. Nothing comes easy. You need to put in the ample amount of effort, understanding and interest in the phase if you want to learn something, whatever be it. Don't take me wrong, as I am not here to discourage you to learn something new, but I just want all of you to invoke the right process and the right formula into learning, and then you must all succeed. In the recent past, I have seen many videos on YouTube or other blogging websites which promise to teach their viewers some particular coding language in just like an hour or a half. And surprisingly enough, some even say that they would help the viewers learn coding in merely 15 minutes. Like seriously! As a man with coding interests myself, I do have a tons of other lessons to learn and follow, but I have never left coding away from my dream for once. I know 3 to 4 coding languages, created like 2 to 3 apps and games, and I am just starting off as an aspirant to take my coding dreams to a whole new level. But trust me on this, I still barely know only 10% of the whole coding universe, and the rest is still a vast ocean to learn. Now let's cut to the chase. Obviously I ain't that bad that I would just drag you around here promising to teach you coding and just leave you away with a handful of ideologies and dislikes. So to learn coding, there are a few important steps that you must be following. First, don't just learn it because you have to do it as an order or something. Try making it a hobby and slowly build a passion in it. Do you know why 90% of the people fail to learn coding even after they have started in it? It's because either they don't try well enough or they don't have the right interest in it, and hence they slowly lose their way through and leave for a career in something else. Secondly, decide one particular language to start with. I would recommend Java or Python if you want to dip into app or game development, and obviously HTML, CSS and PHP for web development. Find a proper book, ask around for the best writers on your topic. If you are not that great a reader, no problem, go online and educate yourself through websites like w3schools.com or tutorialspoint.com. The reason I refer to them is that they don't promise you a 30-minute coder's manual, of course. Instead, they help you learn from scratch to magic. Next, it's all easy now. Learn all you gotta know from the basics. And not just learn them, practice them there and then. Remember one thing, that you can never become a good coder or a good programmer until you have practiced well enough and know your ways out of all cheeky little problems. Learn all the necessary techniques one by one, like the loops, decision making, exception handling and all. And search the web for easy to difficult problems on these topics so that you are 100% ready with the previous topics as you move on. Once you think that you are ready, start with your projects. You are sure to come across millions of problems and silly bugs, but don't lose hope. Search the web again and again. Visit technical and coding forums and communicate with the mass. They will be more than happy to help you. Actually, 99% of your queries are already solved in those forums by someone or the other. So just look them up and move on. So just magnify into your point of interest. Dive into the wave and start programming. Though 30 minutes isn't well enough, but 30 days is certainly quite fine to train you through and prepare you for the best of results, and that would surely get you ready to build your first app or website. Once you have compiled your very first project successfully, it would of course be one of the happiest moments of your life, and there won't be any turning back, I promise. As an ending note, there's a declaration to make. We are gonna start our first coding tutorials from the coming week onwards. And obviously we aren't gonna make false promises with 30-minute tutorials or 1-hour tutorials. No. We plan to give you the best of coding lessons from the scratch, as I told earlier. And it will be twice a week, with each video covering a particular topic, thus providing you enough time to practice and level up your skills with exercises to complete, and thus solving any doubts that you may get through comments or mails. So till then, close your eyes, think and decide whether to code, swim, cook or play. Have a lovely day.